Welcome to our video on minimalism for families. In this video, we will share practical tips and advice on how to simplify your life with kids. Being a minimalist doesn't mean giving up everything, but rather finding ways to live with less clutter and more intention. Are you ready to embark on this journey towards a simpler, more meaningful life? The first step to simplifying life with kids is to establish a minimalist mindset. This involves reevaluating your priorities, letting go of excess, and focusing on quality over quantity. Teach your children the value of experiences over material possessions, and encourage gratitude for what they have. By shifting your mindset, you can create a foundation for a more intentional and simplified family life. One of the key aspects of minimalism is decluttering and organizing your home. Start by going through each room and getting rid of items that no longer serve a purpose or bring joy to your family. Create a system for organizing toys, clothes, and other belongings to ensure everything has its designated place. Having a clutter-free and well-organized home not only reduces stress but also makes it easier to maintain a minimalist lifestyle. Simplifying life with kids doesn't mean sacrificing fun and enjoyment. In fact, it opens up opportunities for more meaningful family activities. Embrace the beauty of nature by spending time outdoors, plan game nights, or engage in creative projects together. Minimalism encourages focusing on experiences and creating lasting memories rather than accumulating material possessions. Discover the joy of shared moments and deepen the bond with your family. Minimalism prompts us to question and redefine our priorities. Take the time to reflect on what truly matters to your family. Is it spending quality time together, pursuing passions, or giving back to the community? By stripping away the unnecessary, you can align your actions with your values and lead a more purposeful life. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress towards a simpler and more fulfilling lifestyle. Congratulations! You've learned some valuable insights on how to simplify life with kids through minimalism. Remember that incorporating minimalist principles into your family's daily life is a continuous journey. Start small, be patient, and celebrate the progress you make. Embrace the freedom that comes with living more intentionally and savor the moments that truly matter. Thank you for joining us on this minimalist adventure.